The Taxpayer Bill of Rights, TABR, is a set of rules from both the federal and state governments that outline the rights of taxpayers when it comes to paying and disputing taxes. In 1988, and later updated in 1996, Congress created a federal TABR to guide how the IRS can collect taxes and how taxpayers can challenge decisions made by the IRS recently. The IRS made things simpler by rephrasing these rights into 10 broad principles, found in the Internal Revenue Code under Section 7803. The right to be informed, the right to quality service, the right to pay no more than the correct amount of tax, the right to challenge the IRS's position and be heard, the right to appeal an IRS decision in an independent forum, the right to finality, the right to privacy, the right to confidentiality, the right to retain representation, the right to a fair and just tax system. Your Taxpayer Bill of Rights ensures a fair and just tax system. To explore all 10 rights, visit amtaxsupport.com.